We stand on the brink of the fourth industrial revolution, characterized by technologies such as artificial intelligence, digital automation, machine learning, the Internet of Things, and quantum computing. This convergence of technology will fundamentally transform business operating models. Today, nearly 9 out of every 10 Fortune 500 companies listed in 1955 are gone. Their places taken by organizations including Amazon, Facebook, Google, and Netflix. Industries previously considered secure are being transformed by disruptive digital business models. Customers now have greater expectations than ever before, demanding faster fulfillment, real-time responses, higher quality services, and increased value. Enterprises that embrace digital technologies and transform their business models can thrive in the digital future. As a driver for digital transformation, Robotic Process Automation, or RPA, is one of the fastest growing software technologies globally. Used as a strategic capability, RPA is a sophisticated software technology which can complete a series of tasks and actions to create unattended, autonomous, end-to-end business process automation typically applied to back-office processing. RPA can sometimes be referred to as software robots or the digital workforce, but these are not walking, talking Autobots or physically existing machines. RPA is a technical capability that is most effective when implemented as a collaboration between IT and the business. RPA technology can access business systems and applications the same way a human user would, using the target application's own front-end user interface using virtual user accounts. In effect, software robots complete tasks, virtually linking systems together with no complex back-end integrations. And it does this using your existing IT architecture, business systems, security policies, and IT controls. Think of RPA as an extension of your existing human workforce, only you can't see them. As organizations increase the number of processes automated, the number of software robots or virtual user accounts required will grow. We refer to this as the virtual workforce, available to complete processes on demand. Centrally controlled by the business and supported by IT, RPA technology executes processes using defined business rules that have been designed and tested by the business. High-value, complex business processes continue to be supported through specialized enterprise solutions and business systems. Low-value, granular processes are resourced by operational teams. In effect, we're creating high-value human capital to complete low-value work. These are the processes that are ideal candidates for RPA to address. We call this the long tail for automation. Used as a strategic capability, RPA can offer businesses multiple benefits, including increased processing speed, greater accuracy and compliance, as well as lights-out and on-demand processing. Software robots can execute business processes, on average, 60% more efficiently than the human workforce, driving significant increases in productivity. RPA software executes processes with 100% accuracy, improving processing quality. RPA technology is 100% compliant with defined business rules, processing requirements, and regulatory requirements, providing a consistent customer experience with decreasing operational risk. Software robots can perform business activities 24 hours a day with no breaks, holidays, or bad days, increasing operating output. RPA is an on-demand processing tool providing a resource capability of deployment at a moment's notice, enabling near real-time processing and supporting organizations to absorb spikes in demand. Software robots can complete any processes that use digital data, including saving files to drives, retrieving emails, creating reports, transferring or inputting data, triggering actions, or making changes and updates. To better understand RPA, let's look at a real New Zealand use case example. A New Zealand business receives over 28,000 service plan enrollments for one of its products annually. On average, this equates to over 100 registrations a day. Customer demand can fluctuate with peak volume recorded at 43% above the average daily volume. Customers initiate the enrollment process via a web-based application tool. Once the online form is completed, information is delivered to a target mailbox monitored by staff members periodically throughout the day. Human workforce members complete validation checks, process the enrollment in a central CRM, and update secondary systems, taking on average 5 to 7 minutes. Once the process has been automated, a software robot checks the targeted mailbox for new service plan enrollments every 10 minutes. When new enrollments are received, RPA software autonomously completes the process without assistance, following to defined business rules. When the software robot is unable to complete a task or action, an exception will be recorded and reported to the human workforce for further assessment. Processes that make good candidates for automation are those processes that are repetitive, rules-based, and that have a relatively high processing volume. RPA can be used by organizations in any sector, including banking, insurance, healthcare, retail, and logistics. As a technology, RPA can be applied across the total enterprise and can automate processes in any area of the business, including finance, customer service, and human resources. Example of processes that have been automated including patient registrations, claims processing, employee startups, and invoice processing. Using robotic process automation, or RPA, organizations gain a capability to drive operating performance, improve the customer experience, and increase organizational speed and agility.